So you're welcome to Your Camera and You. My name is Henry Emmanuel, and I'll be taking you on this series on how to handle your camera, the techniques that is required in camera handling, and also maintenance of your camera gadgets. So as a way of introduction in this series, I want to ask a question. Do you have a camera with you? I know the answer most times is going to be no. I don't have a camera. Why? Because you may not have the money yet to get something like this. But the truth is that you and I have cameras with us. Yes, you have a camera there. If you have an Android phone, if you have an iPhone, then you have a camera. And we use it virtually every day. Yes, in our everyday activity, we use these phones to record videos or for photography. But we are concerned more of videography this time. So we're going to be showing you some of the techniques, some of the tricks, and we're going to be showing you in our subsequent videos how to maintain and how to handle these cameras. Let's introduce us to cinematography. And the first question will be the role of a cinematographer. A cinematographer, also known as a director of photography, that is, some call it a DP, some call them DOPs, is also responsible for the visual aspect of film or a video production. They are concerned about visuals, about visual aspect of films, visual aspect of movie production. What do we mean by that? Which means the primary role is to capture the director's vision by making creative decisions. Yes, they are very creative people, very, very creative. So they make creative decisions about lighting, about camera angles, about camera movement, and also framing. Now, the cinematographer collaborates closely with the director. He collaborates with the production designer. He collaborates with other key members of a film crew. But please note, this is where some people get it wrong. Some believe that every camera operator is a director of photography. No. Most directors of photography professionally, they don't even handle the cameras on location. So what is their job specifically? Is because of the creativity that they have, they know the operations of the camera and they give directives to the camera operator. So we can have a camera operators, maybe you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 different cameras, sometimes 10 different cameras. He's the one that's going to align the cameras. He's the one that's going to check the settings of the camera. So he may not particularly handle the camera. But yet, in some low budget productions, you see the director of photography also becoming a camera operator. Not because he does not know his job, but most times because the budget is low. So he finds himself doing a two-man's job. Now, if you have this camera with you, that is what we call the aspect ratio. We're going to be discussing that. We're going to be discussing frame rates in the course of this series. And also, we'll be discussing the depth of field. In the course of this series, we'll be discussing compositions. So get ready. Maybe you're having difficulties with depth of field. You are having difficulties with framing. You are having difficulty with composition. In the course of this series, you will learn all these for free. Yeah. Okay. Cinematography and storytelling. Yes. I think that's what we're going to take now before we round up on this series for today. Cinematography plays a crucial role, a very, very important role in storytelling. How? By conveying emotions, by setting the mood, and guiding the audience attention. Lighting choices, camera angles, and camera movement can evoke specific emotion, and it enhances the narrative that you are trying to push. So the visual style and aesthetics of film or video are often shaped by the cinematographer's creative decision, contributing to the overall storytelling experience. So, I believe that we have learned little from this introduction. In our next episode, we shall be unveiling to you what it requires, camera movement, the techniques, everything that is required to be a good cinematographer. Stay with us, don't go away. If we have been helpful through this video, please subscribe to us, hit the notification button so that whenever any of our series comes up, you will be notified of it. Next time when we meet, please stay tuned to SMC Studios. Catch you guys.